Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. By the way, this is my dog Luke. Yeah, in this video I will show you how easy you can make $200 in a day. Yes, you heard correct, $200 in a day. Let's see how long time this will take for me to make that type of money. Also, if you want the robot you will see in this video is a robot for binary option. You find link below the video. If for some reason this robot can't work in your country, use the link number 2. That one works worldwide. So let's get to it. Let's see how easy you can make $200 in a day. So just like that, $203 in matter of 2 minutes. So that's how easy you can make $200 a day. So what can I say? If you want this robot, link below the video. And if you can't run this robot in your country, use the link number 2. So with that, have a perfect day.